Why is everyone buying this metal detector? Well, the first reason I want to tell you that everyone's buying it, first of all, I'm going to show you why everyone's buying it, but I need to tell you why everyone's buying it. The reason everyone's buying this metal detector is because everyone's buying this metal detector. It's the way human psychology works. We're herd animals. We look for validation and proof, and we like to go for that. And that's what I did. My brother and I were doing product research, trying to figure out which metal detector to buy. This one clearly came up. It's an incredible value just based on the number on the product page, knowing a little bit about metal detectors. And I'm gonna be straight up, I know just a little bit about metal detectors. The number, the value is incredible. It's also selling over 50 a month, and it has hundreds, and I think it's approaching 1,000 4.5 to 5-star reviews. I'm gonna be straight up. Whenever you find that on an Amazon product, that lets you know if that's the kind of product you're looking for, hit the buy button. So based on that alone, you can hit the buy button. However, we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna show you why people are buying this. Amazing coil right here. First of all, I just like the shape of it. I think it's a cool looking coil. That thing's gonna make you rich. Let's be honest. The reason you're on this page is because you know the world's falling apart. Inflation's going up. I mean, dude, you could lose your job at any point. This is the only way to get paid now, dude. Straight up. Or do what we do on Amazon, which honestly, you can't even really get into that anymore. So let's show you how this works. So hit the power button there. We have, what is it? 5 different modes? 1, 2. We have 5 different modes, which you can easily, oh wait, let's put the light on. Put the light on there. Okay. So you can literally just go through the modes here. Boom. That's all metal mode. You got discovery mode. And that's where you can like add or subtract. You can discriminate based on what you're looking for. And all we hit is the plus button to eliminate the stuff we're looking for. And then we can also hit memory mode. And you, what's the other one after that? Oh, wait, shit. Oh, wait, crap.
Yeah, jewelry.
Wait.
Oh.
And then, yeah, we'll see. I'll cut it out, whatever. And then jewelry mode. So you can actually find, find other stuff you can sell for like a really big profit. Another thing. You can adjust the sensitivity up and down like this. So all we do is hit the sensitivity button and then we can dial it up or down. And then the other important part is you have pinpoint mode. That just allows you, rather than getting a vibe, it allows you to get very specific. We've got some 10-cent pieces down there that can, it's telling you where it's at. It's even giving you an idea of depth as well, which this is obviously just, it's 2 inches below the coil. So that does actually make sense there. Okay. And then the other thing that'll show up, let's put it on the mode, the all mode. Hold on. Okay. So what you can see here is you have a number there. That number correlates to something. And I'm going to tell you what it correlates to. So 76, from 76 to 85, that's usually copper and silver. And that's going to be like 10 cent or 25 cent. Look down there. That's 10 cents. Here's the thing. I'm not going to go through all the rest of the metals with you. You can go find those yourself, but I can tell you this thing's going to work. That's why everyone else is buying it. It's probably why you're going to buy it too. Go ahead, hit the buy button, stop scrolling, just buy it.